Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Taurians. Let's see what are your energies, Taurians. So on your side we have the King of Swords. Let's see what's on your person's side. It's the King of Cups, okay. The most likely outcome. Is Three of Swords, okay. Oof. So with the King of Swords on your side, definitely a little bit of a cold and a detached energy, perhaps because you're thinking too logically or too much in your head. Can be that. On your person's side, we have the King of Cups, so a lot of emotions but emotionally balanced. But the most likely outcome is the Three of Swords, so there's a lot of heartache and a lot of pain over here. We'll clarify this. So let's see why is this King of Swords here. Let's clarify the King of Swords. So for the King of Swords, we have the Ace of Wands, the Lovers, and the King of Pentacles, okay. Let's clarify the King of Cups. So for the King of Cups, we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Five of Swords, and the Empress, okay. Let's clarify the Three of Swords here as the most likely outcome. Why is this Three of Swords here? So for the Three of Swords, we have the Knight of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the Four of Pentacles. So Taurians, for the King of Swords, we have the Ace of Wands, the Lovers, and the King of Pentacles. So what I feel here is maybe there is a lot of passion over here. You want a new beginning. There is some new beginning towards which you are passionate about, and maybe you have a choice here. That is why you are thinking logically as to what to choose, whom to choose, which direction to go, and you perhaps want to go towards stability. It can be that also, because you are thinking logically. So there is a passionate connection over here. There is a lot of passion, there is a lot of chemistry, everything is there. But then what I feel here is there seems to be some choice also, because lovers can be choices also. Because so there is something over here which you want a big new beginning, and you want to choose stability, and maybe that is why you are behaving a little cold and a little detached, and you're trying to think logically about the situation, perhaps because of the choice you have, or perhaps you are giving it a second thought, maybe then, that do you really want a new beginning with this person. It can be that also. Maybe you want someone who is always on your side and loyalty. Maybe you want loyalty and stability, okay, and that is the choice you have as to whom to choose. It can be that also, with the lovers being there. As far as this King of Cups is concerned, on your person's side, we have the Ten of Wheels, the Five of Swords, and the Empress. So definitely things are changing towards, and this person wants a new beginning over here. There is a new beginning. There is a lot of abundance and everything. That is what he wants. This person, he or she wants. But then with the Five of Swords, there is some sort of a confusion over here. Maybe there are some fights, some anxiety. There are some issues over here. Okay, but this person, maybe this is a self-sabotaging type of an energy. This person is, they do something happens which creates problem in the relationship. So this, with this Five of Swords, there are some issues. Can be some sort of a self-sabotaging type of an energy, or some anxiety or something regarding that. But definitely there is a big change and it is leading towards a new beginning. And that is what they are wanting, going towards some new beginning, which is a positive beginning. Okay, new beginning which is positive, giving a lot of abundance and prosperity. At least it's promising that. As far as the most likely outcomes for the Three of Swords, we have the Knight of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the Four of Pentacles. So the pain here is regarding something, because somebody is really upset because somebody is closed off and perhaps focusing on themselves. Or maybe the relationship here seems to be an in and out type of a thing, a third party or in and out type of relationship, and that is why somebody here is really upset. So the cause of pain here seems to be perhaps holding back and focusing on yourself. Maybe the person who is thinking logically is too much focusing on themselves and a little bit retreated perhaps, and that is a sort of maybe that is a confusion going on in that person's mind. Somebody seems to be turning their face from the relationship. Okay, that's what I feel, which is causing this pain. Message from this deck number 17 may be of some significance for you. Patience. Love is patient and kind, always. So just have patience in this situation. Let's see what happens next. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.